taste testing today. The Ready Hour home style potato soup, just like we make at home. What? No thumbs yet. All right, we're gonna take a taste. Ready? 1, 2, 3. We all take a taste. It's all cooled down now.
Maddie.
Maddie, your turn.
Take a taste.
No.
What do you think, Maddie?
Doesn't taste like potatoes are cooked very well. They're a little.
Attitude solid.
They're not soft enough.
Not soft enough.
Probably could like boil it or like simmer it for a while, get them
I
softer.
did it for about 15 minutes, so maybe I go 20.
Yeah. Could add bacon to it.
Bacon would be good. What's it kind of like? Is it like a potato soup or is it? It's thick.
Yeah.
It's really thick.
It's like a potato soup, but it's like needs more flavor. Needs a little bit more. It's flavor. It's like a good flavor, but it's not.
It's not the best one yet.
It needs like something like bacon.
Bacon? Do you think there's bacon in it? There's probably not bacon in it. It doesn't
I
taste
don't
like
think
it.
so.
No. But yeah,
But
that would be good.
It would. Yeah. Usually a potato soup has bacon. That might be.
That
why.
would be good. You could sprinkle a little bit in there.
Yeah.
Finish yourself. So sprinkle cheese on top, maybe bacon. Anything else?
I mean, if
Okay.
it was a survival mode, it would be like really good.
Fine.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
No, it doesn't taste
Okay.
bad.
Okay, let's do one more. Oh, what does Maddie think? We're gonna do the vote. All right, ready? What do you think? Thumbs up, thumbs down. I'm gonna do mine like
You ready?
3/4
1, 2,
up.
3.
Ellie's down. Are you a thumbs up, Maddie, or a thumbs down? Do you like it or no? Maddie says thumbs up, but she's not really eating it, so I don't
Thumb
know.
sideways.
Thumb sideways. All right, so not the best one of the bunch,
I'll eat it though.
but I'll eat it. I'd eat it. It's nice and it's a lot more. It's a lot thicker than I thought it would be for a soup.
It's very thick.
It's really thick.
But I like that kind of stuff. I
Yeah,
like
it's
creamy
not. It's
soup.
not thin soup. I mean, if you didn't cook it long enough, it would be.
I prefer a creamier soup anyway.
Probably cook it, and I cooked it pretty high heat. I'd probably cook it 20 minutes, maybe, and then it would make it a lot softer. All right, well, so it is Christmas Eve. We'd like to wish you from the D2S family a happy or a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas to
Say
everyone.
Merry Christmas.
Whoa.
Say it to the camera. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. All right, so Merry Christmas from the D2S family. We hope you guys have a good year this year, and we'll see you on the next one. This has been kind of a fun series for us. So we'll see you on the next one.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, it's